Hey guys, first of all, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. So friends, my today's video is very creative and unique in itself, because in this video I am going to share a unique, vast and a very beautiful, easy to make hand embroidery design ideas, hand embroidery, flower designs, floral design, pattern based embroidery ideas. Friends, but going further into the details of this video, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel, or you haven't subscribed my channel, or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Guys, I want to share a thing with you in my today's video. That is the purpose of my design ideas, my videos, my design sharing patterns is to only share creative, stylish and amazing design patterns, color combinations with a very beautiful embroidery ideas, easy to make, beginner friendly, creative, stylish and artistic patterns of thread embroidery, thread painting, hand embroidery, wool embroidery or any type of handmade stuff. The only purpose is to share creative ideas so that you could try these ideas at your home, and the motive is not to copy someone's work or ideas. So now let's move back towards our video's details. That is where you can use these very beautiful and amazing patterns. Friends, the scope of these beautiful floral embroidery patterns is beyond your expectations, is beyond your thoughts, because these are very creative, stylish and artistic. You can make these floral patterns onto your cushion covers, pillow covers, for designing creative handmade bags, for creativity of your dresses as a floral motifs all over embroidery patterns, for designing the very beautiful skirts, frocks, shirts of your baby girls. And not only this, you can also make these floral patterns onto your t-shirts, onto your handmade woolen sweaters and many more creative DIY accessories like mobile phone covers, like glasses case covers, like cosmetic bag covers and many more creative stuffs as per your choices. So stay blessed and stay tuned for my new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves. Meet you soon in a new video.